Hi, and welcome to this quick tip tutorial on how to log into your US-TECH Unified Communications portal and view invoices and set up a payment profile. You will receive an email with your login credentials along with your portal URL. After you enter the portal URL into your Google web browser, you will come to this screen here. Here you will enter your username and password, click Sign In. It will bring you to this welcome screen here. This is your Unified Communications screen, which is not the screen you want to be on for the payment portal. So let's go down here to the bottom left under Applications, click on these dial digits here, and then select Automation Manager, which will bring you to this screen here. You can make a payment here or click Accounting, where you can view orders, invoices, payments, and payment profile. Let's look at an invoice first. If you click on Invoices, it'll bring you to the screen here. Just click on an invoice ID. Here you can download the invoice. You can view it here. And while viewing it, you can print it out and cut here on the dotted lines and fill it out and send it in via mail. Now let's start a reoccurring or non-reoccurring payment profile. Over here, click Payment Profile. Click Add New Payment Profile. Which will open this Authorized.net window. Here, you can choose credit card or bank account. Simply fill in the fields here and click Save. That will activate your payment profile, whether it's using a credit card or a bank account. Now, let's look at making a one-time payment. Click on Payments here. Click on New Payment. Here you will see the amount due, and if you scroll down you will see your payment profile, or you can add a new payment profile here, whether it's with a credit card or a bank account. Agree to the terms of service and click Submit Payment, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this quick tip tutorial on how to log into your US-TECH Unified Communications portal and view invoices and set up a payment profile.